So when a teacher posts out a multiple choice question right here from the student view, what you see is this. You can see that the teacher has posted which one of the following is an office package. So this is the multiple choice question. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and then you can see that as I open this up, you can see that I get the answer right here. So I get to go around over here and choose, let's say for example, Microsoft Office right here as the answer right here, just like this, and then turn in, and that's it. I can go around and submit out the answer right here, and the answer will be submitted, as you can see right here. And you can see that one person has submitted Microsoft Office as an option. And in the question, I'm going to go around and add in a class comment and say, I chose what I believe is to be true right here as well. So as a student, you can comment out as well if you want to. So this is what you have, and you can also add in a private comment to your teacher as well, and you can go around and then see the answer right here, which is turn in. So as I were to go around over here onto the classroom and access up the question, you can see your correct answer over here, just like this, as you can see. And this is simply it. This is how you can answer multiple choice question which is posted by a teacher as a student inside of your Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.